This is the second video for the exterior lights that Mobilift did. Now we out here. All my lights is off on the truck, so I'm getting ready to use the turning signal to see. Give me a four-way. That's a four-way? Okay, the four-way, it looks like your foot is on brakes. So it's only one that is turning right now, right there, on the four-way. All right, you can take the four-way off. All right, a left turn signal. Okay, the left turn signal is working. All right, give me a right turn signal. The right, it's not working. It's just like you have your foot on the brakes. But you can turn your lights on. And give me a right turn signal. No, a right turn, it's not working. Okay, give me the left turn signal. All right, give me your four ways. The same thing, four-way, it's not working. Only flashing in the front turning signal on the hood. So this really tells me that Mobilift did not do anything on my truck. They didn't do nothing. They didn't touch anything. They have my truck sitting out there for 4 days. Nothing. Nothing. They told me they bought a signal switch or turn-in switch or something for $490, and I can't even use it at time signal, make a left turn or right turn or nothing. My four-way, they told me my whole steering column need to be changed, whatever. This is ridiculous.